Hi, I'm Dr. Shivani Agarwal. I have made this video entitled How to Create a Web Page Using WordPress, which is given under the activity Resource Creation in week 3. So let's get started. How, how to create a web page? First and foremost thing is you have internet connection. Then is what is required is internet connection and the web browser. You can take any web browser, be it Google Chrome, Opera, Mozilla, etc. Here I have taken Google Chrome. Let's start it with google.co.in. As you can see here, I have mentioned it in title bar, google.co.in. After that, I have written here wordpress.com. Click on the first link which is shown in figure. After clicking on this page, we can see the another page as this, in which it is written WordPress powers 30% of the internet. Here we can click on this toggle button which shows get started. When we click on this get started, then another web page come here and ask for some information like what would you like to name your site. I have written here Shivani, and what will your site be about? It's Jindal. I have also mentioned the primary goal for making this website like share ideas, experience, offer education and training. After mentioning these information and check bar these toggle buttons, I'll continue to move further. When I go further, then another web page opened, and in this it asks for the name of your website which you would like to share. I have written here Shivani underscore Jindal, but that name is not available with WordPress. It suggests us several names which is available with it, and the first icon which shows as Shivani Jindal 400573488.wordpress.com is freely available. So I select this as this is freely available and move further. Here this page opened, and in this I click on start with free, and then we move to another page which asks for creating our account, in which it asks for information like email address, username, and password. So I have mentioned here my email address as shivani.agarwal@kite.edu. I have also choose a username as Shivani Jindal 1924 and a password. For the password, it always be recommendable to all the users to maintain a password which passes the security details, like it should contain alphabet, numbers, or special characters to constitute a password, which is an healthy password, or we can say it a secured password for further proceedings. Then after this we continue this, and another web page come like this: done, thanks for waiting, we are ready for you to get started. Means they have sent a message to your email id which you have given in the previous slides. So what you need to do here is you should open your email id and click on the link which was given by wordpress.com to enable your login account which you have recently created. After creating the page, it will look like this. You can see here that on the left hand side of control panel there are so many options to manage, like site pages, blog post, media, comments, themes, sharing, etc. So let's check them one by one. First thing is, if I need to make a site page, then what will I do? I'll click on add, and it will look like this. I'll mention the title of the page like page 1 in this example, and add. I can add any media from Google, photo library, contact form, or other things are available on payment. So here, if I am using the free available source, so I'll add any media which is available in the database of the WordPress. After continuing, or we can say after publishing the page, it will look like this. Here you can also see on the right hand side of the page, you can see customize, edit and stat. So from the customize option, we have customize this page as per our availability, our need and requirements. Edit, we can also edit the page, and stat shows how many people have checked your website. So after publishing this page, I'll move forward. We will see we can also post a our logo to our website. With here you can see that I have made a logo which consists of SJA, which are my initials. So I have made a logo and upload on the website. After putting the logo, we have several options, like we can change our logo, we can remove our logo. It depends on us what kind of logo we want for our website. Moving further, we can also change photographs to the what we can say is we can also change the photographs of the profile. So what would be the main picture shown when you are going to open your page? We can change image or remove it as per our requirement. Moving further, we can also add a blog to our web page by clicking on the left hand side of control panel, which shows blog post, and a little button was there to add. On clicking on the add button of blog post, this kind of window will open, in which you can put a title, like here I've put believe in yourself, and add some content related to the title, which shows a blog. And after completing my blog, what we need to do is we need to publish it. After publishing it, it will look like this. Here you can see this is the left hand side, or we can say our web page control panels left hand side, and this is our blog post which I have recently posted. We can also change the background color of our website. As you can see here, I have put a red color by putting or by changing in the background colors. By clicking on background, there is a palette of several colors. Here you can see there are so many colors like green, red, orange, brown, purple, yellow, gray, white and many more. But here I have chosen red color at the background of this website. You can choose any color whatever suits your web page. After adding this, we can save these images and colors. Move forward. We can also change the theme. We can say theme or header image. Here you can see there is a flower in the background of the web page, which I have added from the header image. By clicking on header image, you can add any theme which was given by default, or if you want many more, you can add it from the Google to your database and then apply it to your web page. Here I have added a flower web page, which you can see in this picture. After this, we can also change the font size of our web page. Like I have here chosen Cherry Swash, and it will look like this. You can see Shivani Jindal. This font is of Cherry Swash. You can add any font size like Times New Roman, Serif, Ariana, Verdana, whatever you like. You can change to anyone. After choosing this font size, we can move forward and also change the widget area. Widget area, as you have seen here, widget area is which will seen on the left side of your control panel. As I have added here, believe in yourself, title and visibility. You can see here, believe in yourself, which was missing in the last or previous slide. By adding in the widget area, we can see here in believe in yourself. Moving further, we can also change the home page setting of our web page. Like in home page, if you want if you want a static page, means if you want a page which will be shown every time whenever any user come and see your web page. A static page will be there, means a constant page. Like if I'm making a web page of a faculty profile, then a web page will always appear talking about myself, like what I am, what I have done, what is my education qualification, for example. On the other hand, if you choose this your latest post, then it will show the recent posts you have posted. Like if I have posted blog post in the recently, then it will show believe in yourself. Otherwise, if you choose static page, it will show whatever you want to show your users. This is all about how to create a web page. Thank you so much for your listening, and your feedback is always solicited. Thank you so much.